Welcome to our Flying Adventures. It's all about the journey. Today we head back to Wilmington to pick up my lovely bride. Pay attention right after rotation, and at the end of the runway we almost strike a bird that comes at us head on. He gets all wonky and then he banks left and goes under my right wingtip. The rest of the ride was uneventful, thank God. Alright, come along for the ride. Let's have some fun.
100. Ocean City Municipal Airport, Ocean City, Maryland. Automated weather observation 1901 Zulu. Wind 280 at 09er. Visibility 10.
280 at 9. I'm clear right, clear left. Take off on 3-2. Brakes released. We're going to go down 10, 1001, 1002. They are symmetrical. We're going to go pump on. Strobes on, and we're trimmed for takeoff. Okay, here we go, brakes released. Ocean City Traffic Commander 453 Tango Charlie departing 32 Ocean City. I don't see anything. I don't hear anything. Let's go full rich. I see some birds. All right, we are full rich. Get this window closed. Locked, locked, locked. Locked, locked, locked. Here we go. All right, right rudder. Heels on the floor. Making good power, everything's still in the green. Oh, it's a little windy. All right, gear coming up. Let's take a little bit of pressure out of my hand. Oh man, got a bird coming right at us. Please don't. Oh, please.
Ocean City traffic, Cessna 3142 Alpha over flying field, 2,500 feet. I'll be departing towards the south, Ocean City.
That aircraft, that Cessna behind me departing, watch those birds. I just had one dive right across the front, just missed my right wingtip. All right, that was ugly. I thought I was going to catch me a big old bird. All right, we're making good power. Pull that back a little bit. Looking good. All right, 1,000-foot checks. Landing lights are off. Fuel pump is off. Gear retracted. Flaps retracted. Today I tried to put a filter on, my prop filter I put on my camera over my shoulder so that we could hopefully get a little bit better out the front. It was so much of a glare yesterday. We're going to go right to 3,000 today and scoot right along. It's going to be a bumpy ride today. Hopefully not as bad coming home. Our power is set, our mixture's lean, our fuel pump has long been off at the 1,000-foot checks. Cow flaps are closed. 123.95 is the weather we're going to get. She is not going to like this ride home. That's for sure.
Read back all the short instructions, advising to contact, get information, Mike. Wilmington Tower information, Mike, 18510, wind 290 to 16, gust 24, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 16, dew point 1, altimeter 29er. Expect GPS, service.
So 1 Delta Romeo, clear to ring, Baltimore.
Notice the
Baltimore, 1 Delta Romeo, thank you.
airport, further information, contact.
So I'm thinking I'm going to get runway 28, most likely. I'll enter that probably. They'll give me left base 28. Winds are 16, gusting 24. Just about down the runway. Alright, let's update the weather again.
10, wind 290 to 16, gust 24, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 16, dew point 1, altimeter 29er. Expect GPS or visual approach runway 27 in use. Notice it's there. 5G notice lit up back for Wilmington Airport. Further information.
We'll give them a ring here at about 10 miles when we get up to the canal. And then we'll start a nice descent. Wilmington Tower, good afternoon, Commander 453, Tango Charlie, 10 to the south, inbound full stop with Mike, and we're going to fly advance.
Commander 453 Tango Charlie, Wilmington Tower, enter left base, runway 27, 43 miles out.
Left base 27, report 3 miles, 3 Tango Charlie. That little island is Pea Patch Island, and that's the old Civil War prison there, Fort Delaware. Right off the nose.
Number 453 Tango Charlie, wind 300 at 20, runway 27, cleared land.
West 1, we can do our own vector.
27 cleared to land, 3 Tango Charlie.
Also calling Wilmington Tower 6.
Call sign 29018.
Okay, gas, both, undercarriage 3 green. Mixtures full rich. Pump on, prop set for go around, flaps at 20. Switches, landing lights, we're good. I'd like to, it's impossible for me to make that first one. That's really close. Alright, let's get the happy feet and dancing shoes going. Trying to circle in here, but it's not pretty. Two notches of flaps. Pull some power.
Wilmington Tower, November 32376, is approximately 8 to the southwest. We'd like to request full stop landing back to 5 minutes. We have information, Mike.
Mary drove her SUV out onto the ramp, and the rest of the family had to walk out onto the ramp. We didn't want to get all the vehicles out there. I didn't think they'd allow anybody else out. So parked right behind the plane, and we loaded up a few items that Mary was going to take home. We had, I think, 4, maybe 5 pictures. We had her grandmother's lamp that we secured, actually wrapped it up in Mary's jacket, and wrapped the pictures up in a moving blanket. So we got all that loaded up in the plane, and then Mary's sister-in-law came out with her 2 nieces, and the one niece's other half, Hannah. So Amy and Hannah came out with the 2 great nephews. So that was really nice to see them. And it was the first time the boys got to see the plane. So they're going to walk up here shortly. Laura's in there too. Laura and Amy and Hannah and the 2 boys. So that's Brennan standing right alongside me. He did not want to go up into the plane, but his mom climbed up on the wing with the younger brother, Rowan. So then, of course, Brennan was ready to give it a whirl. So he did a real good job. They each sat in the plane and looked around, asked a lot of questions. Here's Brennan. And they're all just taking it all in. There's his younger brother, Rowan. And then they each took a shot at the controls. Rowan really worked the ailerons and was fascinated by the iPad. And Brennan just was trying to look over the dashpad. A lot of fun.
Wilmington Tower, Commander, 453, Tango Charlie, ready to go, 27 at Alpha.
Commander 453, Tango Charlie, Wilmington Tower, hold short, runway 27 for landing traffic, say your direction of flight.
Okay, we're holding short, and we're going to be to the south. We're headed to Ocean City, Oscar, X-ray Bravo.
Thank you.
Somebody coming in?
What he said, I don't see anybody.
I don't either. Where's he coming from? Timbuktu?
Just getting ready to turn final now.
Is it a big plane?
I don't know. I don't know what that thing is. Might be a helicopter for all I know. It's only 600 feet above.
I wonder if that's the no, because he's...
Medical transport?
Yeah, they're leaving.
There it is. Just want to watch where he touches down so I'm off before that point.
November 3 Tango Charlie, use caution, my turbulence arrive citation, wind 3209, gust 20, turn left on course, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
27, clear for takeoff, caution, wake, turbulence, and on course for 3 Tango Charlie. Okay, fuel pump's on, full rich.
Wilmington Tower, Warrior 32-376 is holding short, runway 27 and Alpha, ready for departure to the south.
Number 32376, Wilmington Tower, hold short, runway 27.
Holding short, runway 27, 376.
Come on.
Number 32376, that departed commander is also southbound, wind 31014, gust 20, turn left on course, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Left on course, runway 27, clear for takeoff, 376.
Left turn on course. Alright, 1,000-foot checks. Oh man, I can barely see. Fuel pump is off. Landing lights off, landing lights off. Flaps up, gear up. Let's keep it coming here.
Brent and I had these pegs you could put together, so we made like swords out of them. So we were doing... Then I made mine into a bow and arrow. He's like, I have one. I'm like, sure. We were running around the house tearing up. But Denise and David were just... I was a little discombobulated when I got there last night.
Had to unwind a little.
Yeah. Denise got me a glass of wine. We sat there and talked, and all of a sudden it was like somebody deflated her. She said, I think I gotta go to bed. Like, you okay? She goes, yeah, just like that. And I was up around 8, so we sat there for a good couple hours and just talked about you a lot. Told her I was going to tell you, your sister cooked me real bacon for breakfast. She even sliced an orange off. Oh, you should have saw how pretty it was. She sliced all the flesh off of it, and she sectioned it, and then she served it with blueberries on top.
Fancy schmancy.
Scrambled eggs with English muffins.
Nice. All right, we're at 3,000 feet, doing 140 knots home. We're 32 minutes from home.
That's not bad at all. Holy cow.
That's the way to travel.
Yeah.
November 625, Foxtrot Lima, contact.
Should be Georgetown right there. Yep.
127.905.
Buxton approach 127.95.
We're gonna
905.
go listen to, let's listen to Ocean City. Since we're past Georgetown, no traffic up here anyway to worry
I can't
about.
believe today it's so quiet.
It is.
Excuse me.
Ocean City traffic, Commander 453, Tango Charlie, just crossing Route 90 bridge, 5 mile inbound for full stop 14 Ocean City.
Of course, it's going to be bumpy the last 5 minutes.
Of course it is.
Ocean City traffic, Commander 3 Tango Charlie, left base 14 Ocean City.
Let's go. Gear down. Alright, gas on both. 3 green, mixture full rich. Pump on, prompt to go. Let's turn inbound. And overshoot, final. Cheers.
Ocean City traffic, Commander 3 Tango Charlie, short final 14 Ocean City.
Nose from the left. Little fast. Pull all the power. Hold it off, hold it off, hold it off. Oh, roll it on.
That was perfect. Holy crap, Batman.
Eh?
Perfect.
Little bit of brakes here just to get us off. Alrighty. That was a fun, quick trip up and back.
Yep. Thank you, babe.
My lovely bride is home.
Chauffeured back and forth.
Huh?
Got chauffeured back and forth.
Got chauffeured back and forth. Maselli Airlines.
Maselli AV.
That's it. All right, everybody. Thanks for riding along today. And fly safe. Don't know when we're going to be up again. But hopefully it'll be real soon. Thanks for watching.